Hi, my name is Alyssa, if you didn't know that, and welcome to my channel. I did something a little bit different today. It's my first time talking to the camera, so this is going so well. I did this sort of ethereal woodland creature nymph looking thing with sparkles. This is what I did, and if you would like to know how I got this look, continue watching the video. Hello world, this is Alyssa from the future. Actually, my present, the past for you currently watching this, and this Alyssa's future that you are watching currently, because this video is old as fuck. So what I'm doing right now is covering all of the zits on my face because I can't help myself. I can't help picking all of the blemishes on my face, but that's neither here nor there. This is me looking like an old person with horrible stick foundation that I should not have used. But I'm gonna stop picking apart this video because it is old and I have changed my beauty regimen and makeup choices. But this look turned out really great, and it's one of my favorites. So this beauty blender is awful. See, there I go again, saying things that are negative. Here I'm just blending with a beauty blender that I don't have anymore. Reapplying the foundation stick like 4 times. Here I'm using the Kat Von D translucent powder to bake my eyebrows, which will give it that fake bleached look. And I'm putting the loose powder wherever I get creases, like around my eyes, around my smile lines, and then I'm just buffing it into the rest of my face. This is a kabuki brush that I'm using to put the translucent powder on. I'm contouring my cheekbones, and at first I thought I used way too much, but it ended up looking really great. Here I'm baking and cleaning up the lines to make a more defined cheekbone. This is the contouring of my nose, which I don't do anymore. I should do it more often. Actually, I miss it. Just don't have the time. And then cleaning up the harsh lines with translucent powder, softening everything up. Wiping away all of the baking. Here I'm contouring my jawline to make it more defined, to hide the double chin, if I have anything showing there. But here I'm brushing off the powder of my eyebrows, making them look like they're bleached, with that kind of a yellowish tint to it. So here this eyeshadow worked perfect for this look because it's icy and it matches the hair, and it's not a highlighter, but it can be used as a highlighter. It's so pretty. It's iridescent and kind of like snow, or like magical cocaine that I have on my lip. So I'm just blending it out. This blush I got in a Vegan Cuts beauty box 1 month, and it is the most pigmented blush. You barely have to use anything for it to show up like beautifully on your face. So this is a really pretty rose color, like a dusty rose lip liner from ColourPop, And I love this color so much, but in my opinion, with my natural skin tone, it just looks kind of cartoonish to me. So I haven't worn it in forever, but I might take a trip back to this lip liner. But since I painted my face like 10 shades lighter than normal, here I'm putting on invisible eyeshadow. Yeah, it doesn't show up at all. So just ignore that part. And here I'm just putting this brown shade in the crease of my eyelid in an S shape. So I'm kind of contouring my eyelid on the inner corner up by my eyebrows, kind of making my eyes have that more sunken look, more linear as well, kind of like I have a big brow bone, makes my brow bone stick out. It also makes my upper eyelids stick out too. It's kind of interesting. Here I'm using liquid lipstick for my winged eyeliner, and it turned out really well, actually. Like, it was super easy to use, very creamy, easy to put on. It's just I have so many eye wrinkles, it's hard to do. But I'm having a breakdown right now. Malfunction. Anyway, it took forever to get to my liking. This part took the longest out of everything because the glitter that is in this little tube is thicker than more fine glitter. So you have to make sure that you put layers to get a dot shows up. You know, I don't know if that makes any sense. I cut out a lot of footage for that to get those freckles. And then here's the finishing touches. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, comment of what you want to see next. Bye!